Fluffy struggle, diary. Campus chapter, lost on freshman, welcome day.
Where is the dorm?
The map is on page 3 of the handbook.
Thank you.
I smell the scent of a lost freshman. Follow me.
Freshman, your backpack's open.
Don't let it die. Love, your sister Pip.
Welcome to university.
Oh, no.
Bye.
I had the map backwards this whole time.
Theoretically, it's not that bad.